ambient temperature is 26, that'll be dropping, and the track temperature will be as well, and the humidity 55%. We've already had a Porsche session for 45 minutes. We've already had Formula 2 cars on circuit for 45 minutes. So now the race up is us, but we need to put it's 45 degrees. The ambient temperature is 26, that'll be dropping, and the track temperature will be as well, and the humidity 55%.
هذه السيارات بين المنعطفين 22 و 23 بحوالي 48 كم في الساعة الواحدة تم ازاح أحد الحوادث.
Is the more important than FP1 and FP3. So, however, they can certainly get a lot of work done during this. I gave my little weather forecast just now. There has been quite a lot of wind. I think it's starting down a bit now. So it's not quite quite such an effect as it might have done earlier on today. But the wind does have an effect on these cars, particularly if it's blowing through a gap in the arm cove, for example, and that can destabilize the car.
سيعطينا مؤشرا حول تنافسية هذه الفرق قبيل الذهاب إلى الجائزة الكبرى في يوم الأحد. جورج راسل في هذه الأثناء يحتل المركز السابع. من العقوبات التي حصل عليها سيحاول قدر الإمكان في هذه الجولة تعويض خيبة الأمل، ولكن الفرحة الأكبر كانت للسائق الإسباني فرناندو ألونسو الذي شارك في سباق.
Korea também
That is the order at the moment as the cars head back to the pits. The marshals will be able to rapidly remove the car of Sergio. Unfortunately, or rather fortunately, he has not.